due respect to the guest and Sai and Dhanashree Sai, thank you so much for this opportunity. When I started the course, I had been working with children for more than 15 to 20 years. And I thought I knew everything about children. But during the course, I realized that I was just, dealing with them on a superficial level. And then I realized how to actually go deeper in emotions, in behavior, and their actions, how to align all of that. This course actually got me deeper into that. So being an educationist, there is a secret to actually excel yourself. You should have a beautiful balance of knowledge and experience. And this course was a perfect balance of knowledge. It actually opened a lot of doorways of my brain. Like, there was some neuroplasticity happening. Oh, but yes, it was very overwhelming initially. After 20 years studying, doing assignments back to back, going to college with 30 women and keeping your mouth shut so that there's no gossip. Being in awareness, it taught me so much. And I learned not only from my beautiful 30 women that I was with, all of them were so intelligent. I mean, 30 women in a classroom was so intelligent and so aware. It was wonderful. And what do I say about the faculty? I mean, they always were ready with, to give us all the answers to all the doubts that I had, and I had a lot of doubts. So that journey was so beautiful, and it gave me a deeper knowledge about the subject and psychology. Now I just feel that I'm a totally different person, and gradually I started enjoying the whole journey, and I realized that it is all thanks to the education and the resonance of the content which we have to take in awareness. So when I started coming to college in awareness, every single day absorbing every single word that was said by our amazing faculty, then I could feel the change inside me. Something inside me changed, and I don't know what it was, but I became a different person altogether, and I could feel that, self-evolving gradually, and that's when I made sure that whatever happens during this course, I'm going to embrace it to the T. I'm not going to ask any questions, why, what, where. I just want to, be aligned with the course. And that's when I could feel myself transforming as a person. And I didn't ask anyone around me, do you see me change or not? But yes, I mean, I could see the change around me. All the good things that are aligned with you will automatically be there for you. So that was a beautiful change that I saw in my life without making much of an effort, but just being in awareness. So thank you so much, all the faculty. I have no words. And one thing I would like to also say is that, each of these, things that we learn in this course, example, we're learning the principles of counseling. I would not just learn them blindly. I would not go home and read. I would Google the meaning and actually try to understand which context it's used, like congruence, positive regard, and imbibe it. I would try to imbibe it in my daily life. That's when I could actually write the paper, because I was relating it to myself, living it truly, and it was beautiful. So thank you so much, Sai. And now I'm with NGO children. I'm working with NGO children, conducting workshops and doing my MA in psychology. So thank you so much.